Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of that name who taught us all the names, the merciful, the mighty, and the omnipotent. Hi everyone, this is me Ali with a new video, and today I'm gonna show you some papers from grade 7 green. Okay, so these students are from SPS Saha Court, and the paper is annual exam from annual exam 2024. Okay, so the first one is Minal Ali Khan. So let me show you the paper without wasting your time. Look at that. Choose the correct option. Okay, so she directly choose the correct one. Okay, first simile, metaphor, personification, illustration, collective noun, and everything. Here she answer the passage, read the passage carefully and answer the question at the end. Okay, that's good. Writing style and paper is awesome, especially the using of cut marker is great. Look at that. Okay, it's awesome, it's great. Okay, furthermore, word meaning, answer any 5 of the following question. So what is interstellar nursery? And she answer directly. Awesome, good. Here she write application for fee concession. Okay, so awesome, great. Write a letter to your father, power box. Okay, so this is the letter pattern. Okay, here the best part of the paper is she wrote an essay about Qaid-e-Azam, and the first she did introduction, date of birth, early education, higher education, career, and date of death. Okay, so that's great. And here she changed some Urdu sentences into English. This is from this section is from tenses. Okay, so she is not the only students. Let me show you some more. This is one of our students, Zunera. Zunera is also from class 7 green, and look at here. She also did the same thing. Okay, name and everything. The writing style is awesome. She is only from class 7. Look at that. Read the passage and answer the question. She directly answer. She don't write the question but directly answer here. There was an earthquake in Mandanga. Okay, awesome. Look at here. Answer. Okay, good. Look at that. This one is application, and this is also application. Yes, this one is letter. Okay, to your father for books. Okay, let me show you more. Look at that essay. Especially the cut marker is awesome, and this is the hard work of the teachers there from SPS Saha Court. Okay, let me show you more. Alina and Aruba and everyone, if you want to check Aruba, she is also from 7 green, And let me show you the paper pattern is awesome here too. Simile, metaphor, personification, and everything here. Question number one, read the passage carefully and answer the question at the end. Excellent. She directly answer here. Yes, word's meaning. That is question answer. What is interstellar nursery? It's awesome. The application here is awesome. Okay, letter writing, and this is yes, introduction. And right here we are discussing about SSO introduction. Okay, date of birth, early education, higher education, and furthermore, it's awesome. And look at that. Great. Okay, Heba is also from the same class, and look at this paper pattern. Yes, Heba 7 green. She's also a student with a good behavior and a good writing style. Okay, excellent. This is letter. Application writing. Okay, let me show you some more papers. These are also our students, Alina, and she's also good. Look at that. Yes. This is nothing else, just hard work. And I'm not talking about a single student. Every student of this class is awesome, great. Look at that. Application. So, more, furthermore, okay, this is also one of our student, Menahil. Menahil is also very good. Yes, look at that. Writing. And the most important thing is paper pattern. Everyone is great. Fatima. Fatima is also awesome. She is also from the same class. Fatma. Alina, sorry, Fatma. Fatma Kausar is also from the same class. Okay, so look at that. Everyone is awesome. Everyone is great. So if you have a clean and best paper, so the checker, he will give you, full marks because of this clean writing. And you know a good paper impress everyone. So everyone is awesome. So uh, that's it for today, and all the students of this class is awesome. uh, Alina, yes, I think. So if you want your children to have such kind of writing style and everything, so you have to admit your students there, your anyone from your family, you have to admit him or her there in SPS Saha Court for a bright future. And the environment is good there, especially the hard work. The students are awesome there. So that's it for today, and see you in next video. Thank you.